Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Lilienschaft puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Siebenstein Spiele in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 9 pieces into the tray. This puzzle has 9 acrylic pieces. Each piece has unique shape. Except for these two, they look almost the same, but the length of these pieces is not the same. And the rest parts have completely different shape. This one looks like a cross, this one looks like letter H, this one looks like letter E, and so on. And as you can see, the tray has this kind of grid shape. You can't fit parts here on top, but you have to put all of them in these cutouts between the squares. And since this puzzle has many possible ways how you can fit parts inside, but always you're gonna have at least one of the pieces, or maybe even sometimes 2 pieces that you can't fit inside. And there is only one way how you can put all parts inside, so that all of them gonna fit and there will be no space available for any other parts. So if you like Lilienschaft puzzle designed by Siebenstein Spiele and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So the solution is going to be following. First of all, we have to remove the parts. And now we will start putting them back inside. So I'm going to start with this big piece that looks like letter F. It's supposed to be here on top. This piece that looks like a square with 2 parts sticking out is going to go right in this corner. Next, this piece is going to be right here on the bottom. The part that looks like letter E goes right here in the left corner. The cross will go right in this place. As you can see, this place fits cross perfect, like this. Now we have a couple of parts left, and one of them is going to be this long piece. We're going to put it right here. The other piece we're going to put in here, and we have just enough space to fit 2 parts. This goes here, and the letter H goes right in here. And as you can see, the puzzle is solved. It might look quite easy because I know the solution, but it was quite challenging to find this solution, since you can try many different ways, but only one assembly brings to the solved puzzle. So if you like Lilienschaft puzzle designed by Siebenstein Spiele, or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Siebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.